You are ready to browse or play, but Steam greets you with error 105 instead of loading your library. Here is what to do. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. One of the most common Steam issues is error code 105, which prevents you from connecting to the store or servers. This error usually appears when Steam can't reach its servers due to DNS problems, firewall restrictions, or cached data. In this guide, we will show you the quick fixes to restore Steam connectivity. Method 1. Clear Steam download cache. When you get Steam error 105, clear Steam download cache. This can happen if some download files are corrupted. Clearing the cache can fix the issue. To do so, open the Steam application and from the top left corner, click on Steam option. Open Settings. Head to the Download section in the Settings panel and select it. Next, click on the Clear Download Cache option. Click on OK to save the changes. Now log into Steam and try to download a file and check the download speed. Method 2. Close unnecessary apps. If you're running multiple programs in the background, Steam can also be slow and show errors. So close the unnecessary apps running in the background. Follow these steps to do so. Press Ctrl+Alt+Del keys. Select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab to see which programs are consuming the CPU. Right-click on each program and select the End Task option. Once done, check if this could boost the download speed. Else, flush DNS. Method 3. Check Steam and Internet. Steam error code 105 means the client can't connect to Steam's servers. So verify if Steam servers are down. You can also restart your router and PC or try switching to a different network. Method 4. Flush DNS. Type command prompt in the start menu and right-click on the command prompt option. Choose the Run as Administrator option. Now copy and paste the following lines of commands in the elevated command prompt window and hit enter after each command. Once you finish running all the commands, exit command prompt and relaunch Steam. Try to download a file. If the problem persists, change DNS. Method 5. Change DNS. Press Win+R to launch the Run utility. Copy and paste ncpa.cpl command in the Run command box. Then press Enter. Right-click on the network services you use and expand its properties. Click to open Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. From Use the following DNS server address section and set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8. Next, set the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the changes. Reopen Steam and check if the issue is fixed. If the issue persists, reinstall Steam. Method 6. Update the network drivers. Head to the network adapter section and expand it. Right-click on your network adapter and select the Update Driver option. Choose Search automatically for the drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 7. Power cycle your internet router. If the error is occurring due to network-related problems, then power cycling the router can fix it up. Here is how to do so. Unplug the power cord of your internet router and then leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then plug in back the power cord. After you get internet access, launch your Steam. Now check if the problem is resolved this way. Method 8. Disable Ad Blocker add-on. Often it has been found that the ad blockers that are installed on your computer interferes with the Steam client. This restricts the features to work properly. Disabling these ad blockers often helped to resolve the problem instantly. So here is how to disable ad blocker add-on for the respective browsers. Microsoft Edge. For Microsoft Edge, go to the Settings option first and then Open menu. Now select Extensions and next hit Manage Extensions. Then disable to turn the extension off. Check by running your Steam client. Firefox, go to Menu and from the provided list, go to Extensions and Themes section. Now hover the pointer and disable the ad blocker option. Chrome, from the menu option, select Extensions and then Manage Extensions. Then disable to turn the extension off. Steam's error code 105 may look like a major outage, but it's usually solved with straightforward fixes, refreshing DNS, adjusting firewall settings, or clearing cache. Once resolved, you'll be back to browsing and gaming without interruptions. If this video helped you fix error 105, hit like, subscribe for more proven gaming fixes, and share your own Steam troubleshooting stories in the comments, because chances are someone else is facing the same challenge. Thanks for watching and we will catch you in the next video.